If, like me, the only savings you have are a collection of beanie babies with the tags on that one day will be worth millions, rising interest rates may not mean a lot to you, but apparently we're all responsible in the world because of, democracy and stuff. Interest rates are set by the Bank of England. The idea is to modulate the rate of inflation to hit the ideal of 2%. That means the economy rises nicely without hitting a breaking point. It's like how, on a night out, I try and keep myself at 2% alcohol content, so I rise along nicely without hitting a blackout. Setting the interest rate is a way for banks to modulate our behaviour. Carrot and stick. By setting high interest rates, it should encourage us to save and not spend, whereas low ones discourage us from saving altogether, increase our spending. Because we all know that people spend money based on interest rates and what banks do, not based on, things like basic need, feeding their kids, heating their homes, buying Danny Nogue singles. Interest rate is set by the MPC, the Monetary Policy Committee. They are 9 people. I'm just guessing here, but probably 9 straight white men. Oh my god, I'm totally wrong! Yes, Queen! Smash that patriarchy! The MPC meet every 6 weeks and decide the new interest rate. They use the latest data and reports and economic predictions to decide, but essentially, these 9, not just straight white men, invent the interest rate. They make it up. Like Mystic Meg does with your horoscope. It's kind of weird, isn't it? It's like me saying Atomic Kitten is the greatest girl band in the world. I mean, I can say it, all I like. I can repeat it every 6 weeks, print it in the news and increase the cost of whole again vinyl. But that doesn't make Kerry Katona sing like Beyonce. No matter how many times I say Atomic Kitten is the greatest girl band in the world, Kerry Katona will never sing like Beyonce. Nothing anyone on this planet can do will make Kerry Katona sing like Beyonce. Or full stop for that matter. Yeah, when the Bank of England say interest rates are 7.7%, it changes a lot. It changes the rate of loans and credit you can get, but also things like mortgages, which you may already have. Even your savings should change. Well, I mean, they should, but that means the bank's giving you money and they're pretty loath to do that. The Bank of England is basically an influencer. They don't have an Instagram, they're not big on TikTok, but they are the Kim Kardashian of the corporate world. They're all, hey, look at my swollen interest rate, look how big my budget's bulge. Make it rain! But only if you're rich. The interest rate doesn't just affect our own finances, it also affects the country's. When the interest rate rises, the interest on government debt, the country's debt, increases too. Government currently owes £2,382.8 billion, which is roughly the cost of a tub of love. The country's debt stands at 100% of our GDP. That's the amount we earn as a country each year. And if it increases, guess who gets to pay it back? You do! In taxes. So, unfortunately, despite how many beanie babies you have stashed in your attic, the interest rate really has a massive impact on your life.